Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amir and I am your learning buddy. In today's video, we are going to explore the entire journey of articles. We are going to talk about definite articles, indefinite articles, zero articles, partitive articles, and whatever comes in articles, we are going to talk about that. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel yet, then subscribe to it because I come up with such videos every day. No side talks anymore. Let's cut to the chase. We are going to start from the basics of articles. When we talk about articles, we say that articles are small words used before nouns. So articles are small words which are used before nouns. The small words used before nouns. Which small words? For example, a, an, and the. These are the three articles which are used before nouns. And these are small words again. Now, these articles are of two types, mainly of two types. One is called definite article and second one is called indefinite article. The indefinite articles include a and an. Why are these called indefinite articles? I will tell you that as well. And the is called definite article. Why so? I will also tell you that. A and an are called indefinite articles. Why is the called definite article and a and an called indefinite articles? Let me provide you simple forward answer. That is, a and an are called indefinite articles because they refer to non-specific things. Non-specific things are such things which haven't been mentioned before in the conversation or in any kind of discussion. Now, if I provide you an example here, I will say, I want to buy a book. The listener will understand that any kind of book will be brought by the speaker. So the speaker is not mentioning any particular book. He is mentioning any type of book. So that is why we call a and an as indefinite articles. Now, if we talk about the article, why is it called a definite article? Because it specifies a particular thing. It specifies a particular thing or such thing which has already been mentioned in the conversation or any type of discussion. For example, I would say, I want to buy the book. I want to buy the book. Here, the listener will understand that the speaker has to buy a particular book. Why particular book? Because the is used. It can be a science book or maths book or any type of book. But that book must have been mentioned before in the conversation. For example, if we talk about a specific book in a conversation, then one among the two will say that I want to buy the book. So it means the book we were talking about, that book I need to buy now. So this is why that is called definite article. You need not to get confused between definite article and indefinite article. Definite article is that article which specifies a particular thing. But and an are indefinite articles, and indefinite articles are those articles which refer to non-specific things. So this was about the definite and indefinite articles. I hope this is clear now. Now we will try to understand where are these used. What are the rules for these articles to be used before nouns? First we will see the use of indefinite articles. And in indefinite article we will start from a. An article is used when a noun starts with a consonant sound. Remember, it is consonant sound. For example, a cat, a ball, a brush, etc. The second use is when noun is singular. Singular noun. Again, the same example. Cat, singular, a cat. Ball, only one ball, a ball. Brush, only one brush, a brush. Now, the third use is non-specific nouns. Non-specific nouns. What are those non-specific nouns? The nouns which are not being mentioned before in the conversation. So here you can use a as well. Now if we use a in our sentence, then we will say, for example, I need a cup of coffee. I need a cup of coffee. Here, article a. So it means cup is non-specific. It's not a particular cup. So it has not been mentioned before in the conversation. Now we will see the use of an. Where is an used? You have to remember, if a noun is singular and starts with a vowel sound. Vowel sound. So, if a noun starts with a vowel sound and is also singular and is non-specific, then we use an. For example, an apple, an umbrella, an apricot, and so on and so forth. So what did we understand here? That is, noun is singular, starting with vowel sound, and is non-specific as well. Then we use an article, not an article. Now I will tell you why I am talking about consonant sound, not consonant letter. Why vowel sound, not vowel letter? Let me provide you an example. If I talk about R, here is R. What is the sound of this word? It is vowel sound, even though the word starts with consonant letter, but the sound is vowel. So therefore, the article which will be used before this word will be an, not a. university. Even though the letter is vowel, but the sound is consonant sound, university. It's not a sound. It is U sound, university. So we will say we are gonna use a article here, not an article. Now it's time to talk about definite article. The definite article, the. Where to use the article? The is a definite article. It is used with those nouns which are singular or plural, it's used for both singular as well as plural. Second thing, it's a specific one, specific or particular one. Particular noun, or we can say mentioned, already mentioned noun. For example, I'll say the cat I adopted. So I am talking about that cat which I have adopted. So I have adopted a cat, and that's why I'm using the article for that cat. It's a specific, it's a particular cat. It's not non-specific cat. So I have already adopted that cat, and I have already talked about that cat, and that's why I'm using the cat instead of a cat.